Chinese social media app po.
Naku, hindi tayo marunong mag-Chinese. Ano to?
Humihingi
alright.
po siya ng tulong na mahuli po yung mga taong nanloko sa kanya. Nakilala daw po niya ito sa daan.
Na-scam.
Opo, na bibili lang daw po sana siya ng buko juice nung una siyang nilapitan sa poblasyon Makati.
But she doesn't understand English though, so we have a translator.
Opo, nakakaintindi naman po.
Ah.
She can understand also in English.
Little English, but it's better. Would you prefer us to get a translator for you? Is it Fukien or a Mandarin? Mandarin, okay. And nasaan yung ano natin? Yung translator?
Okay. Pero habang inire-ready natin yung translator, idol, ito po yung video.
Okay, can we see
June
the
18 po
video?
ito, nagmagandang loob lang po daw po, nasasamahan siya sa mga lugar na pasyalan dito sa Metro Manila.
Right.
Yan. So, panoorin po natin yung
Let's see the video.
太高了，根本顺应不来。也许可能有看到那两个女生，但是不是
Sinama,
为了价
okay,
格。
sinamahan pa po siya na po yan. Okay, medyo malabo lang po. Pero ayan po yung mga swabs.
我在菲律宾已经待了快4个小时了。
Okay. Sino yung lalaki? Sino yung nakayelo?
Yan po yung isa sa mga biktima sa kanya. Pinasyal-pasyal siya dito. Ayan.
这个时候全员
Na may pinainom daw sa kanya at parang nawalan lang daw po siya ng malay. Kinakain siya ng marami habang sila po ay nasa Grab.
Oh, okay.
Pinatikim pa siya ng mga balot. Ayan. Yan, yung balot, idol.
Na meron na sigurong gamot. Oh, berry egg o balot. And then, what happened after that?
Yun na po, hindi na po niya maalala.
And then, ano nawala
Ang
sa...
nawala po sa kanya is halos 174,000 pesos cash. Yeah.
A lot of money, big money. And do you still remember the faces of those two people?
Yes,
Oh,
I took the pictures of my videos and I showed the policeman also.
The pictures of...
Yes, the three
They're the
of
ones.
the girls. Yes,
Three of them?
yes, three of the girls.
The first one is a guy.
No, it's a girl.
It's a girl? The one
It's a girl.
wearing a yellow shirt?
Yes.
Okay. LGBT, okay. And then the one in the middle is an older lady.
Yes.
Okay. Do we have a bigger picture, enhanced picture of that lady in the middle? Is that the best picture that we can have? The reason being is so that we can flash the picture and then the netizens, the viewers would have a nice glance of the faces of these suspects. Okay. And then the last one with the glasses, and that's the mastermind. Who's the mastermind
I think the last one, take the glasses, the one.
with the glasses?
Yeah. The first in the 18 in the morning, I just go out my hotel, walk around. You know, it's not very far from my hotel.
Okay.
And first saw this girl, and the first you look like the guy, this girl, these two girls. First I meet. Usually I buy coconut water. They just follow me because after we check the CCTV on the police station, and they saw, they just always follow me. They just not here. I buy
That
the
would have been
water.
a red flag if they keep following you without
Yeah.
you inviting them.
Yeah, because
Okay.
when I make a video for myself, after I saw they just keeping follow me, I also ask whether a lot of students and they just try talk with me. Usually it's after they said they also is traveling people. If they want to go with me to some local place, they very love to share.
Uh-huh.
And very nice. And after we go some like markets already, and the second time we go to the markets and we're meeting the old lady, they said is
That old lady,
Between-
that's one in the middle.
yeah. The old
Okay.
lady is the old lady always with the
What was
taxi.
her participation, the old lady in the middle?
I and the old lady, the glasses woman said the old lady is her
Relative?
Aunt-
Relative, auntie.
Auntie, yes.
Okay. And then,
After we meeting this old ladies, we have second time to meet in the church. But this time they also take the same taxi and also took me go to the church. But when this church is very longer because I thought it's 6 p.m. I have to go back. That time is 5:30 already. And I said I need to go back. They said now have traffic, you can't. So the long time I stay in the taxi. Also, I think this taxi is very important. Maybe they part of the
maybe the taxi driver is in
Yeah.
cahoots with them.
yes.
Okay. And how about the girl in the yellow? What was her participation in the
I
scam?
know about this girl. Usually, the real life, I talk with this girl. This girl just like don't look at my eyes always. So this is why I'm really have remember with her.
So the three of them were with you each time?
Yes.
They
all
were
the
with you
time
all the
her.
time?
Yes.
Okay.
And after the police gave me the photos, I first know her. I said yes, it's her. And
Okay.
usually I put my social media in the Chinese online,
Right.
and some similar person, especially the Chinese girl, in the 2019, they meeting the same girl in the same taxi, same Makati.
Makati. Okay, well, wait a minute. The girl in yellow, so she has been arrested already.
Yes, they took her in the 2025. They
Okay.
already took her before.
But were she able to tell the police who were the other two?
I don't think so because now I know the police took her in the 2025 and after just let they go.
So she didn't squeal her accomplices.
Yes, I think
She didn't tell the police who were these two accomplices that she was.
I think they call.
They-
They talk the police. Also, they send the videos because before the 2001 night that year, this girl also sent a picture and video, and the video have this lady's the face.
Oh, so they've been doing this for a long time.
Yes.
Okay, these are professional scammers, and what they do is they look for foreigners like you,
Yes.
and then their target victims are foreigners.
Yeah,
they
I
cannot
know-
target locals because the locals know their modus operandi already.
Yes, because the locals and also solo traveler like me, they don't want to stay longer in the Manila, and they know the police there will be take a little bit long time. So usually that people just find us.
So I'm pretty sure that the girl in yellow, she knows pretty much the two other accomplices or the two other ladies. The one that the older lady and the lady in glasses. So did she squeal or did she tell the police the names of those two other suspects? Did she mention? No? Okay. Oh, that tawagan natin yung police. Okay, I'll talk to the police. This is Major Marvin Inocencio, Chief Investigation and Detective Management Section, Makati PNP. Major Inocencio, sir, good afternoon po, sir. Major.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po, sir. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Okay, nahuli na po yung isang suspect na nanloko dito kay Miss Lee, yung nakayelo, nasa picture na kanina pinakita. However, yung dalawa, identified na ho ba? Although may picture na po tayo at accomplice kasama natin nung nakayelo, na kinanta ba nung nakayelo kung sino yung dalawang kasama niya?
Sir, ganito po, sir. Makorek ko lang po si Ms. G, sir.
Elma, ang pangalan pa ng nakayelo. So, Elma yung nakayelo. Okay. Sige, go ahead po, sir.
Sir, yung nakita po, sir, ng ating victim ay Rose Gallery po yan. Yan po yung mga previous arrested natin.
Rose
Ipinakita
Gallery.
po natin sa kanya at fortunately, meron siyang na-identify na suspect. Yun po yung subject natin for follow-up operation.
Kasi akala ko na yung Elma Matas, yung nakayelo, she was arrested. Ayun. Ayun pala, Rogue Gallery.
25, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
dati na
Sir.
pala talaga itong
Actually-
scammer. Alright.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, prior to viewing of our Rogues Gallery here in Makati City Police Station, the Makati City, sir, were able to arrest another group of Atiban nila modus operandi. Pinakita rin natin sa kanya sa custodial facility unit, sinama natin siya to identify yung mga recently arrested natin. Wala siyang na-identify doon. So in the course of investigation, pinakita naman natin sa kanya yung ating Rogues Gallery dahil maayos naman yung ating database dito. And luckily, meron siyang na-identify.
Okay,
So yun,
good.
sir, ngayon ang sinusundan po ng ating mga investigation.
Right. Ati Banggang matagal na ito. Dekada
Yes, sir.
na ito.
Actually, generic na lang natin, sir, yung ating bandang, but the modus is the same. Pinadrag nila,
right.
sir, yung ating mga biktima at
Yes.
doon nila po nagagawa na masama.
Yeah, kasi yung nauso yan sinasabing Ati Banggang. Kasi meron talaga yung Ati Ban na drugs.
Drug.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Na pinapainom o nilalagay sa inumin ng victim hanggang sa makatulog ang victim. Usually, nire-rape tapos ninanakawan pa. Pero this time,
Yes,
same
sir.
modus. Kaya lang, ibang gamot na siguro, hindi na atiban. pero ginamit pa rin
Yes,
yung
sir.
lumang pangalan sa pansagsangan ng Ate Bangag. Right. So,
Yes, sir. Tama po.
so itong tatlo, they're at large. That's why we're showing their picture. Sir, meron ba tayong mas magandang picture nito matandang nasa gitna? Katanda-tanda na. Wala pang ayaw pa rin magpakatingin itong matandang babae sa gitna. May picture po tayo, itong matanda. At saka may mga pangalan po tayo, sir.
Sir, magpe-prepare po kami ulit, sir, ng maayos na picture, sir, pagbalik po dito ni speaker.
Ano?
At sa Rose Gallery po natin,
Teka muna, you'll be going home to Taiwan.
Sa mga CCTV footage.
Sandali lang po, Major. Sandali po. You're going to Beijing? When are you going to...
When I go back to China, I think the 1 month after, I have other traveling plan. Tomorrow night, I will go to Thailand.
Oh, tomorrow you'll be going back to Thailand.
Yes, because
Okay.
happened these things already followed the police already like 2 weeks. Because I use like a 14-day Chinese free visa come here.
Okay, na
Yeah.
kaya itong nangyari sa kanya na napapahiya tayo dito. Major, okay, wala na siyang time. Kasi tomorrow, alis na siya, punta na siya ng... where are you going tomorrow? Thailand?
Tomorrow midnight. So
Midnight.
tomorrow morning I still have time.
Okay, so Major, pwede ba bigyan mo siya, bigyan nyo kami, siya, nung maayos na picture nitong tatlo pakasama yung mga pangalan nila? Kasi nasa
Yes,
Rogue
sir.
Gallery sila,
Yes,
di ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
So I would assume na ito sila dati, nahuli nyo na.
Yes, sir. 2025 po, sir. Sir, rest assured, sir, maski wala na yung ating big team, the Makati City Police Station, sir, will conduct itong follow-up investigation, sir. Kasi, sir...
Major, wait, Major. Ako muna magsalita, Major, ha? Pakita natin ulit yung picture. Ito, Major. Now, since meron kayong litrato nitong tatlo, it is telling me na nahuli nyo na sila dati. That's the
Yeah.
best picture that you have for her?
But someone have. Like before, they happened same like me.
Yeah.
In the 2020, 25 or one night, I forget how one of my fans, they put the video and the picture. Is that
Can
the
I get that?
ladies
Because
young,
right now,
young
you only
time?
we don't have the full image.
I have now.
You have? Okay, good. So we can flash it in our social media account, so a lot of people can see it. Because the one in the glasses, we don't need a full image, because that's already a full image of her.
Yes.
But the one in the middle, you know, the older lady, we need a full image picture of her.
It's her.
That's
Young time.
Okay.
I think it's for this time. You said also the people.
Okay. Now, Miss Lee,
Yeah.
we will accompany you to the police tomorrow, so you're willing to file a case against these three.
Yeah.
When we are able to identify these two, once we identify the identities of these two, right now we only have an Elma Matas. We only have one suspect identified. That is Elma Matas, because she was already arrested before. But the other two, this is the first time that the police saw their pictures.
Can I ask one question?
Yes, sure.
And this girl, they please take her like 2025, but why right now they free? They do the same things.
Oh, okay. Major, anong nangyari sa kaso nitong si Elma Matas na na-arrest niyo pala dati?
Sir, naka-bail po yan, sir, pero i-check po ulit natin. Pag balik nyo dito, sir, i-represent po natin yung ibang mga documents.
Out on bail.
Yes, sir, opo.
Anong kaso niya po?
Sir, kung dyan si Elmo Mata, sir, robbery po, sir, robbery.
Robbery.
Robbery extortion yan, sir, yung ganyang...
Robbery extortion, and
modus
he's-
operandi natin.
Okay, out on bail siya. So meron tayong warrant. So meron tayong standing warrant against her kasi nag-jump bail siya eh, tama? Bench warrant.
Yes, sir, check po. I-check po natin ulit, sir.
Okay. The girl in yellow, she was arrested. The case has been filed against her, but she jumped bail. She was able to post a bail because her offense was bailable. It's a robbery.
Okay.
Robbery is bailable in our law. Okay. And then when she posted bail, she jumped bail, meaning she didn't attend the all the hearings that were set by the court. So right now she's wanted.
Okay. It's.
So there's a warrant, outstanding warrant of arrest against her, the girl in yellow. Yeah, she was arrested if that's what you want to know. She was arrested, but since the offense is bailable
Maybe they pay the money.
for the bail,
Yes.
the court, they pay money to the court for her to have temporary liberty. That's what we call bail. In China, you don't have bail. You don't
Yeah,
have such thing as
I
bail.
think so.
In the Philippines, when you get caught, depending on the gravity of your crime, we have what we call temporary liberty.
Yeah. Okay.
They will release you because you put up money in exchange for your release, and then that bail will be held by the court. And that would let you attend the hearings that are being scheduled. Once you fail to attend the hearings or you did not attend the hearing or hearings, then that bail will be canceled, and then the warrant will be issued against you.
Yeah.
That's
so,
how it works here.
Yeah. So this is why the white yellow shirt the girl just took with the foreigners. They don't took with the local because the foreigner didn't have enough time to took her.
Correct.
And also
Correct.
they the government I don't know maybe the police station took her and she pay and no one just thought happen again and they just leave free took money again go to prison and pay again. Just every time do like this. I don't think this is very can took her. You have more others some way can took her like exactly they will not even the pay they can go.
Okay, now this is how it works here. Okay. She did not pay the police. She paid in the court
Okay.
for her to get what we call temporary release, aka bail. But after she paid the bail, she was supposed to attend a hearing. But she failed to attend the hearing, or she did not attend the hearing. That's why the bail was canceled. When the bail was canceled, that's when a bench warrant was issued against her.
Okay.
In other words, she is now being sought after by the authorities. She's in the wanted list of the police and the NBI or our law enforcement authorities. Once she get caught, then, Colonel, Major,
Yes, sir.
pag ito, di ba nakapag-bail siya? Pag siya'y nahuli, warrant, makapag-bail pa ba siya ulit? Yun ang tanong nitong complaint natin.
Yes, sir. Depende, sir, sa kaso, sir, na may papay natin sa kanya, sir. Ngayon, sir, nagpapadouble check ako, sir, ng status ni Elma Mata, sir, para at least ma-explain po natin sa kanya,
Ito mo si Garrett.
Medyo,
Hindi, sir. Ang gusto niya kasi
pagka-
mangyari, sir, ang sinasabi kasi nitong si Miss Lee, nahuli siya, nagbe-bail siya, and then pag nahuli siya, bail siya ulit, huli siya, bail. So parang ang sinasabi ni Miss Lee, paano ko ito'y nahuli 10 times, tapos 10 times nagbe-bail din. So paulit-ulit lang. Yun yung pinipoint out niya. So ano ang ginagawa niya
Yes, sir.
tungkol dito sa kasong to? Ano mangyari?
Sir, nagpa-file po tayo, sir, ng kaso. Yun ang trabaho, sir, ng pulis. Tapos, ang mag-determine naman, sir, ang magbigay ng bail, ang mag-recommend ng bail, ang court po, sir.
Kaya nga,
So,
pero once na nag-jump bail siya, anong susunod na mangyari?
Sir, kung hindi siya mag-a-attend ng hearing, lalabasan po siya ng warrant ng court, huhulihin po ulit natin.
Kaya nga, so paano
Kasi,
pag
sir, ang court naman, sir, ang nagre-recommend, sir, ng bail, hindi naman po tayo.
Yeah, I know, sir. Tawag mo, Sir Garrett. Hindi, ito ay legal question na lamang sa kanya. Yung bang,
Yes, sir.
nag-jump bail siya, so naglabas ng warrant sa kanya, nahuli siya.
Yes, sir.
So once
Yes, sir.
nahuli siya, magbe-bail ba siya ulit? Papayagan ba siya
Kung
makapag-bail
sa kaso
ulit?
po- Sir, sa kaso po na yun, kung saan po siya nalabas ulit ng warrant, hindi na po siya makakapag-bail doon. Kaya natin na niyang hearing. Pero kung magpa-file po tayo, iba naman po ang complainant, another bailable case po yung ipapile natin sa kanya, pwede po siya doon mag-bail. Pero kung nakakulong po siya dito for other cases, hindi po siya makakalaban.
Okay.
Kahit po bailable yung kaso niya, tapos nakakulong na po siya, hindi siya pwedeng mag-bail kasi meron pa siyang ibang kaso.
Okay. Or because nakapag siya ay nag-jump bail, and then nung mahuli siya, put her in jail and she wouldn't be able to
Go out.
she won't be able to file a bail, request for a bail hearing anymore.
Okay.
Okay. So she won't be eligible for a bail
Okay.
hearing anymore. Attorney Garrett,
Yes po, Sen. Magandang hapon po.
she's not eligible for bail.
Okay.
Once she jump bail and then she get caught. Tama ba, Attorney Garrett, yung pagsabi ko na sabi ng police na kapag itong isang suspect
Apo.
wanted dahil nag-jump bail, kapag nahuli siya, makapag-bail pa siya ulit?
Mahirap po yan, Senator, because ika-cancel po yung current bail niya. No? She's currently out on bail, so that's provisional lamang. Ika-cancel agad yan ng korte, and she will have to prove na hindi po mauulit yun, Senator. But most of the cases, tama po kayo. No? The judge will be very wary of approving another bail kapag you jumped without reason po. Buti po sana kung hindi lang po siya nag-appear sa court during a hearing date, pero dito po kasi totally different. Talagang nag-missing in action po, kumbaga. I would agree with you, Senator. Less than 50-50 chance na po yan to get another bail.
So there's that big possibility, tendency na the judge will not grant bail anymore to her because of her history of jumping bail.
Yes po, Senator. No? Especially kapag tinatawag nating flight risk or may capacity po na magtago, the judge would be very hesitant to grant the bail again.
Even if it's a bailable offense, so
Yes.
the judge has the discretion not to allow the suspect to come up with bail again.
Ayun naman po, Sen, since bail is a matter of right nga po, no, tinatawag po natin yan for cases that is not punishable by reclusion perpetua, life imprisonment, or the death penalty, most likely tataasan po yung requirements for bail. And some judges are known na taasan po talaga siya to the point na hindi na siya feasible for the person seeking
But
bail.
she would still be allowed to put up a bail.
Yes po, Senator, yes po.
Except that the
Because
judge
it's,
might maybe raise the bail to much higher
Yes.
amount.
Yes
Like
po,
you said, but
yes
it's
po,
impossible
Senator.
for her to come up with that kind of amount.
Yes po, Sen.
Okay.
Or at least they would hesitate to jump bail again po.
Okay. Sige. All right. So, basically right now, Elma Matas, we don't know her about her whereabouts. That's why we're flashing her pictures in our. We will be flashing her pictures on our social media accounts. Plus, we're doing it now. Maybe someone, some people, her friends might see it, and then they will tell her, or they will tell us. They will tell the police where is she, where the police can arrest her, etc.
Okay.
But for now, we can just hope that maybe she'll be able to see this and she will voluntarily come to our studio and surrender. That happened several times already in the past, where the suspect, when they see their pictures being flashed in our screen,
Yeah.
they will come to us and they surrender and said, it's either that's not me, yeah, that's me, but I'm sorry, like this, like that. So they would come up with so many excuses.